These are my hinges. You can see Allgood butterfly hinge. It's a template and brief instructions. Each box, there's 8 boxes altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 sets of screws, and in each box 3 hinges. Really nice hinges. They're very simple to put. Use a router, and as you can see, nice and shiny. They've got the bronze washers. They're CE stamped, and they got a BS number. If you look at the link on the advert, there's a link to Allgood's web page where you can see exactly the specification of these hinges. Okay, obviously each box has got 3 hinges in, and so on. Okay, thank you very much.